step into a world where the red glow of Mars beckons, a realm where human ingenuity meets the challenges of survival and the beauty of possibility. Picture a future where pressurized habitats bloom like flowers in the harsh Martian landscape, creating havens of warmth and protection against the planet's unforgiving elements. Water, the cornerstone of life hidden beneath the rusty soil, holds the key to sustaining us and nurturing new beginnings. From solar panels to nuclear power, we harness the forces of nature to shape our future on Mars. In these efforts, we do not just seek survival, but aim to thrive, to build communities that echo with the pulse of humanity under the red sky. This is our tale of courage, curiosity, and the unyielding spirit that propels us towards an extraordinary destiny. Join us on this remarkable journey to transform Mars into a home where the human spirit can flourish and thrive.